In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio. In HeyGen, step by step, we're going to walk through how to bring your own audio file into a HeyGen project from start to finish. This is perfect if you've got background music, a narration, or any sound you want to layer into your video. I'll keep it simple and clear, and along the way, I'll share a few quick tips to make the process smoother. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen and look for the official HeyGen website in the results. Click through to reach the platform. If you're prompted, sign into your account so you can create and edit projects. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the official site before you continue. Once you're on the HeyGen home screen, look for the Create button. Click it, then choose Create a Video. Next, select Create in AI Studio. This brings you into the main editor where you can build out your video and manage assets like audio. The wording in the interface can shift slightly over time, but these options will take you into the right workspace. Inside the AI Studio editor, focus on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Audio to open the audio tools. From there, choose Upload Audio. You'll then see an option to upload a file. Click that, and your computer's file browser will pop up. Navigate to the folder where your audio is saved. Select the file you want to use, and click Open to confirm the selection. Give the platform a moment to upload your file. You'll typically see a progress indicator, and the time it takes depends on your connection speed and the size of the audio. Common formats like MP3 and WAV usually work well. If you run into issues, double-check that the file isn't excessively large and that your file name doesn't include unusual characters. When the upload completes, you'll see your audio available in the panel. Click Add Audio to place it into your project. HeyGen will attach it to your current scene or timeline, making it part of the video. From here, you can align it with your visuals and, if needed, adjust volume or trim using the on-screen controls available in the editor. Remember to keep your audio levels balanced so dialogue and music don't compete. And that's it. You've successfully added audio in HeyGen. Open the site, create a video in AI Studio, head to the audio panel, upload your file, wait for it to finish, and add it to your project. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.